What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning back in with your girl Tasha and YNS Hair. Guys, as you see, I'm in my car today. I'm getting ready to take you along with me as I get pampered today. I'm not doing hair today. Well, let me rephrase that. I was doing hair, but I need a makeover. Look at me. Look at this. I need to be pampered today. It's just one of these days. I just had a birthday and an anniversary. So guys, today I need a me day. So I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to get my nails done. And I'm going to get my hair done today. So, come along. Let's get to it, guys.
What color today?
I don't know. How much feel
Cooling $40.
I'll figure out. Probably.
Change shape, $5. 45.
Okay. I decided to do nude color, guys, because nude looks better instead of my nails. It's so white, so we decided to do nude color.
Which one? What's in there? Which one?
The one in the middle.
Yeah.
The one in the middle. Alright guys, so the nails are all done. The nails are done. So, next stop, I'm going to get my hair done, guys. my guy that does my hair forever. Been doing my hair. He did my hair from day one when I got married. He was my stylist and still my stylist. His name Goya's. So if you guys are in the Montgomery area, make sure you come by. Look up Goya's Hair Salon. And he's going to take excellent care of you. Yeah, look at this hair. So Goya, what do you think? Guys, so when I'm done on the dryer, I'll be back, guys. I'm looking fine. Alright, guys, I'm all done. Getting a little sleepy. I got it. Alright, guys. What do you think? So I'm getting ready to, I'm kind of tired, guys. Seems like when you get that hairdo, you just get sleepy. When they massaging that scalp, baby, you just get so sleepy and stuff. So I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get cute. I'm gonna do me some lashes and put me a little makeup on, and then I'll be back with the picture or a video for after, guys. So I would like to thank all of you for coming along with me today as I do a makeover for me today. Because as hairdressers and eyelash techs and nail techs, we take care of everybody else, and we don't really get a chance to take care of ourselves. So take time out for yourself sometimes and get yourself pampered. Go spend a little money, support some other businesses, and some other black-owned businesses. People that support you, support them. And so that's what I do, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And until next time, thank you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.